Hello and welcome. Thank you very much for clicking on the channel. And I paint away the stress of everyday life in Wales, and I do fantastic paintings like this for the beginner. And I do a little bit more advanced painting as well. But as you can see in the vast array of paintings that I've actually done in the channel, have a look down there. There's playlists absolutely jam-packed with lessons and colour charts and how to do colour theory, how hints and tips. What a fantastic place if you want to learn to paint and know how acrylics work, because I don't just paint in acrylics, I teach you the science behind acrylics. I also show you things that you can manipulate with acrylics and take you on a fantastic acrylic art journey. So if this is the first time you've actually clicked on, please click the subscription button and don't forget to click the notification bell. And as you can see, I've got over 100,000 subscribers, so you won't be on your own. And there's a Facebook community and Instagram community. Just pop along and join us there. All the details are below. So, and I will see you on the video. Bye.